In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add moving averages on TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a newcomer eager to delve into market dynamics, understanding moving averages is a pivotal step in your trading journey. Moving averages help you smooth out price fluctuations and better identify trends, which is essential for making thoughtful trading decisions. To get started, you'll want to open TradingView and log into your account. If you haven't created one yet, don't worry, signing up is both quick and free. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. You'll see a lot of information here, but don't be overwhelmed. We're going to focus on the chart panel and make it more insightful with moving averages. Next, locate a symbol to analyze. You can do this by typing in the ticker symbol of the asset you're interested in, such as Apple, for Apple, in the search bar at the top. Once you've found your chosen asset, click on it, and this action will update the chart with the asset's data. At the top of the chart panel, you'll see a toolbar. Find and click on the Indicators icon, which looks like an FX icon. This is where you'll find and apply all kinds of technical indicators. Type Moving Average into the search bar within the pop-up window. This will present a list of moving average indicators. Click on Moving Average, and it will be added directly to your chart. Once the moving average is visible on your chart, it's important to customize it to fit your trading style. Head over to the Settings icon that appears when you hover over the moving average line on your chart. Here, you can adjust settings like the length of the moving average. The default is often set to 9, but depending on whether you're looking for a short-term or long-term trend, you might want to change this to a number like 50 or 200. Adjustments in color and thickness of the line can be made to suit your preferences as well. This helps you visualize the chart clearly and aligns your analysis with your specific needs. Finally, regularly update and tweak your settings as needed. Financial markets are dynamic, and the moving average settings that worked last month might not be as effective in the current market conditions. It's important to monitor your charts and refine your strategy regularly. And that's it. With these steps, you have successfully added a moving average to your TradingView chart, enhancing your ability to track market trends with clarity. It might take a bit of practice to get used to, but with time and regular use, moving averages can significantly improve your trading strategy. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy trading!